Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this pre-owned Yamaha. This is a 2021 and this is their 275SE. So 275, 27 feet in length. We got the nice gray hull side with the white accent, and you can see we turned on the light here. So kind of a cool, they call it a logo light. So the light comes on the outside. Got the nice big tower with the big bimini up on top, and that tower does rotate down if need be. But again, 275SE from Yamaha. This is a twin engine boat. So with jet boats in general, and you have twin engine, it becomes a lot easier to control these boats, and they get a lot of power. So they're a lot of fun to drive, a lot of power behind them. I really like they're lounging back into here. So you got a couple different places. You can lounge up there, or you can lounge here with the backrest. We got cup holders, we got places for a table, and you have your stereo remote back here, so you can definitely have a big party on the back. Get back on the boat, we do have a boarding ladder right here, and there's a lot to see on the interior, so let's go up there and take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 27-foot Yamaha. 27 feet, so we got plenty of space in here for your crew, which is great. You got seating all along here. There is storage underneath that seat. We got a backrest here that does move forward and back, so if you want to face aft, you can move that. Same with this one right here. We got some storage underneath this seat, and then we got a little entertainment bar here with a sink. Just pull that off, you got a little sink right there. We got some storage in this right here, and then a place for a carry-on cooler that'll fit right in there as well. On the flooring, we have the C-deck flooring, and this is the snap in, snap out. So pretty easy to do, just snap it out, get it all nice and dry, or clean it. Feels really good on the feet, nice and soft. So let's take a look at the helm here real quick. I'll step around here. Got a really good looking helm up here. Got the nice steering wheel with the logo of the Yamaha in here. We got, obviously, like I said, a twin engine. So you've got your controls right here. You've got some more controls in here to control this. Otherwise, this is all touch screen. So you can touch through everything to get everything all set. You have your lighting, so you can see the blue lights throughout the boat. You have dock lighting, you have underwater lighting with this boat as well. So a lot going on here. Beautiful looking helm area. We'll come over here to the port side. We've got a nice head area. You don't have to use it as a head, but there is a portable head down there that you can get installed. Otherwise, it's just a nice place to put some storage. You've got a little table in there as well. So good to have here in the 27. Also, being a 27-foot boat, this is what they call yacht certified. So you can have as many people on this boat as you need. Just make sure we have all the life jackets available for everyone. Storage in the floor, lots of deep storage in there for any sort of water sports or anything else that you need. So for a 27-foot boat, we got massive room up in here. We do have bow filler cushions. You got storage underneath both of these seats. And then you have your anchor storage in the bow as well. Cup holders, speakers, pretty much everything you need to have a good day on the water. Again, this is a 2021 Yamaha 275SE. Only has 30 hours on it. Trailer is not included with this boat, but it is here at our Rogers location. If you'd like to come take a look or give us a call, you can set up an appointment and we'd love to show it to you. As always, please click the like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos that we're putting out every day.